Hi everybody, this is Larry. Is that your name? You got your
Larry.
pen covering your name.
Oh, lucky. I was looking for that pen.
This is Larry, and he's going to show us this cabin, and he has a YouTube channel. Larry, tell us what your YouTube channel is.
Our YouTube channel is Our Adventures in Vinny.
And Vinny is the name of your camper.
Yeah, Vinny is our 2017 Thor Venetian M37.
So check out his channel. He's a young channel, and he needs some new subscribers, and he's working. Is it about work camping too?
Yeah, it's just our travels with let everybody know where we're at.
Okay.
Family back home.
And he's going to show us one of the rentals here at the Fancy Gap KOA.
Come on in.
So it's like a tiny house.
You got a master bedroom in here.
Oh. Plenty big enough. Look at that.
Outside deck.
Oh, outside deck with a view of the pool. I'm not the pool. I'm sorry, the pond. Oh my gosh, look at this.
This is the ideal one.
Move me right in, huh? And then over here is the pool, and they're building a deck to expand it. Yeah, I could live right here.
Fire pit, and we also have a grill up here that they can use.
And each has their own fire pit?
Fire pit and grill.
Well, and another deck over there. That's where we came in. Very nice. It's got air conditioner. Oh, so there's an air conditioner in the bedroom and an air conditioner in the living room kitchen area. What's the size of this, do you know?
I'm not sure.
To get some information from the brochure. And it's fully equipped?
Fully equipped.
Everything you need.
Pans and extra towels, utensils.
Yep, and a full bath.
All this stuff in here for the grilling.
Got towels and everything.
I believe that's a pocket door.
Oh, yeah, it is. So get a pocket door here. Coffee maker. And then that's a futon, so that goes to a bed also.
And then you got the little bunks.
And a little bunk area. This be my craft room, guys. Yep. Definitely could live in one of these. Alrighty. Very nice.